So I thought I would show you these. These are gel ink pens, Japanese, and I got these off Amazon. This is what they look like. And I'm going to give them a whirl. These are all 0.35 nib, plastic body, 0.001 millimeter according to that, and they have this very fine tip to them, and they are a lovely smooth writer. I've got a friend who uses these for work, and I managed to search them up and found them, and this is going to be great for when I want to do like really tiny details on a drawing. Really tiny details. Good ink flow, can go fast, can go slow. Obviously there's no line variation or anything, but it's got a really good flow, doesn't feel scratchy or anything, which usually like these sort of almost needlepoint gel pens do. But yeah, nice little gel pen, worth checking out, and I'll have a look on my order and I'll tell you how much it was. So it was £13.90 for 12 of these, and these are going to last absolutely ages. Great little writers. I'm going to use this for work. I'm going to use it for sketching and drawing. Very useful, very fine gel pen, and they are gel ink pens, Japanese style, and it's a pack of 12. So yeah, worth checking out.